Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Laruta Bella. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you my healthiest, nutritious, dense multivitamin juice. Yes, this vitamin juice is very healthy. It helps me, it keeps me going through the day. It gives me so much energy for the whole day. I take this one glass in the morning and I'm just keep going. I have so much energy and my day starts so positively. So if you want to see and you want to know how I make this amazing juice, keep on watching. So this is the ingredients that I need to make my power drink. Yes, I call it the power drink because this drink really keeps me going. Like I just need one glass in the morning and I'm good to go. So that's the first thing I take in the morning. So we need green grapes. We also need two limes, two lemons, two red apples, and of course we need pineapple. If you guys have watched me, you following me, you know I use pineapple in so many stuff. Like pineapple is very good for your body. Like the nutrients in pineapple is just like I can give you the benefit of pineapple, like what's really pineapple doing in your body. It's just amazing. So yes, those are the five ingredient that I'm gonna use with this power juice. So please just keep on watching. voila, my power drink is ready. Yes, I call it a power drink. It boosts my metabolism. It give me so much energy. I have like the vitamins in this drink. As you can see, I use so many different fruits, and it's natural. Like it's very healthy drink. So thank you so much for guys for watching this video. Please share with friends and family so we all can stay healthy, right? It's all about stay healthy and continue to be healthy. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.